Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit template site in WordPress. So for you to edit template site in WordPress, click on your web browser and log in your WordPress. Just click on your browser, will be Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Then you log in. Then once you log in, you have something like this on your main screen, which is your dashboard. You can see this is my dashboard right here. Then you are going to head over to this part of the screen. Then on the quick link, this is the title site. You can see guide 7.wordpress.com. Then here's the quick links to the website you're trying to build. Then I'm just going to click on edit site. Just click on it. You can see editor site, editors, site title. And good, and this is it. You can see template, site title. Actually have a particular template. You can also use templates like right here. This is the template. I'm just gonna try to edit some part of it to make it look good. So now once you have something like this, then you're going to come here. This design, you can see customize the appearance of your website using the block editors. So I'm going to be using block editors right now. This navigation icon. The navigation you can also rename your you can decide to change the about, which is about on your website. So once you click on this particular button, then whatever you're adding here, just will pop up and tell people more about your page. And see right here, edit this page list, which is the navigation menu display your website editing. It will enable you to add, delete, or recorded page. However, new pages will no longer be added automatically. So once you edit, then no longer you're an editor. So just gonna do that right now. You can just you can see move up, go to about to, remove about to. So I think this about to should be at the page, like you want it to be at the down part. And we want to shift this sign up to the front, to the top. You can see the sign up button is already should be at the top. So let's say we want to move this. Let's just imagine we want to move this about so the down part, just move down. Okay, good. Once you do that, let's do it again. This move up, move down. Then you review the changes. Then you click on save. Good. Site updates. Now view the site. Okay, good. You can also change your theme. You can also change the theme if you want. You can change the themes of the look. Okay, good. Like here the appearance. If you don't want this is editable. You can edit this. This is actually paid, yes, I guess. This is already active. If I can use this, you have to upgrade. This is for upgrade users. You're just trying to look for the free version. Alright, good. This is editable. Good. So right, you can add this particular. You can add these themes to your website together with the font. You can decide to change the font, depends on you. Let's say you can check the font together with the color. Then once you do that, then you can activate this design. Just click on activate the design. These themes is actually for premium plan. So let's go back. Let's go and check for another version. Just click on the themes icon. Good. I think let's try this. Good. Wow, this looks nice. Then I just activate the design. Let's see. You can see activate this. Wonderful. The color club theme is activated successfully. Then you can view your site from here. Wow, look at this. This is wonderful. Then you can now edit it. You can add more text, more stuff to this particular website to make it look like a real website. So now we're going back to the editor's mode. And also add a new template. You can add tags, you can add pages. So I'm just going to add pages. Need more pages on our website. Okay, these are the available pages that you can choose. Let's add the front page, which is technically important. So no result from right here, you can edit it, but we're coming to that later. So let's take this for now.